Okay, hello. This is a short tutorial to show you how to export contacts from an Outlook program and then import them into another Outlook program. In this case, it's from Outlook 2007, and I'm going to export the contacts into a folder. I'm then going to transfer it to another laptop which has Outlook 2013 on it. And I'm going to import them into that more modern Outlook program. Okay, so here we've got my contacts open. You can see here, there they all are. Okay, so it's important you click on contacts first, not on mail down here, otherwise you'll just be exporting your mail items. So make sure you've clicked on contacts. Okay, and then go to File at the top, click Import and Export. Click on Export to a file, click Next. Okay, you need to select Personal Folder File, .pst file, not a comma separated values file. Okay, I'll explain why in a second. Okay, and here we are. So I'll just go to the top here of all my contacts. There they are. Okay, so you need to click Include Subfolders. And you can only do this with PST files. You can't do that with CSV files. So that's the reason why you need to do PST files. And if you expand this out, those are all the subfolders that are going to be exported to. Okay, so you need to select this, the checklist box here. Then you click Next. Okay, and then this is the contacts folder destination and file name I've chosen. Okay, and we click Finish, and that is now exporting. Okay, welcome to the second part of this tutorial. The sound is different. I'm using my new device, so sorry if there's an echo, but hopefully you can hear me. If you recall, the first part of the tutorial was to export contacts from my old device, which was incorporated to Outlook 2007, and I'm going to import them now into my new device, which is using Outlook 2013. Okay, so let's assume these are my contacts. I've actually already imported them, as you can imagine. These are my subfolders here. This is my parent folder. Here you go. But let's assume that I hadn't actually imported and this was all blank. Okay, this is what I would do. I would go to File. Here, I'm in People here, as you can see. Open and export. Import and export. Import from another program or file. Click Next. Select Outlook Data File. Click Next. Okay, then I try and find that file. Okay, and there it is. It's my contacts. Click Open. Okay, so I'm now ready to import. I'm not going to do that, of course, because I've actually already imported them. But let's just say I want to do it. I would click Next. There's one more stage after that. And then the import happens, and your contacts are on your new device. And because you clicked on the export, you clicked subfolders, include subfolders, you have all these subfolders here. Okay? Right, there's one more thing you need to do, though. Let me explain. You've actually imported your contacts, but they haven't been allocated, if I can put it like that, to your address book for your recipients, you know, in each for each subfolder and in each new email. So let's go to Home and let's click on the address book, and you can see there's only 3 subfolders there. Okay, I've added these previously. I've got scores, maybe 50 or 60. You have to actually allocate a subfolder to the address book. Otherwise, when you come to originate an email and click for recipients, you navigate to a subfolder. You won't be able to find it because it's not there. It hasn't been allocated to the address book. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so how do we do that? Just finish there. Okay, I've already allocated my wine subfolder, my sport and adventure subfolder, my skyline subfolder. What about my relatives? Okay, I'll click on relatives. Okay, and left click properties. Okay, click on Outlook address book. Then I do show this folder as an email address book. Check this box. Okay, check that there. Okay, now if I go back to home, go back to address book, voila, their relatives have now been assigned to the address book. Let's do it one more time. Okay, so I go back to contacts. This time I'll do, let's do Oxford College and Marketing. I click on that, right click, go down to properties, Outlook address book, click show this folder as an email address book. Okay. All right. Now I go and check that. Click on home, click on address book, click on the drop down, and there's the Oxford College and Marketing. So there you have it. That's how you do it. You have to allocate each subfolder of contacts to your address book. Okay, I hope this has been useful. It took me a lot of time and help from Microsoft itself to work it out, which is why I thought to share it with the community and online. Okay, that's all. Bye.